Hey everybody, Jabman025 here. Today we're taking a look at my 173rd Master Raid, the Tallgeese Fluegel EW. This particular kit is from the Glory of the Losers manga. And it's basically a Tallgeese with Wing Zero wings attached. Kind of. Sort of. It's complicated. Let's have a look. Now, torso, shoulders, completely unchanged from your standard Master Grade Tallgeese. No changes at all. In fact, the only real change so far is the headpiece. Instead of a curving shape or a crown, it's got this mohawk-looking thing, almost like a top of a rooster head. I don't know. It's neat looking though. Bottom half of the kit, unchanged either. Legs, skirt armor, waist, everything's pretty much the same. That does become an issue in terms of waist. The waist was not designed to hold up the weight of the wings. Now, this isn't so much a problem when it's on the ground, but I would not put this thing in the air. This uses Wing Zero Verka wings with some modifications. First, the back wings, instead of opening up the feathers, it has a thruster in there. And the front wings have this big, giant Tallgeese eagle symbol. And it has a little bit of yellow up on the top as well. So, like I said, it's the Wing Zero Verka wings, not the old school Master Grade Wing Zero. But no, this looks really, really good on the wings. The wings for the Verka were amazing, and they're still amazing here. Nothing's changed there. The fact they had thrusters on the back, just kind of neat. Plus, the big gold eagle shield is neat also. But yeah, the Wing Zero wings were gorgeous. These are also gorgeous. As I said, the waist is not ready to support this kind of weight. Now, when it's on the ground, this thing acts almost like a tripod or a quad or whatever. Point is, the wings will hold it up just fine. I would be terrified to put this thing on action base. Just lifting it, you can feel that waist does not want to hold it. It's on the ground, sure. But the wings will go anywhere you want. They'll move over the shoulder. You can put them together. There's a latch in there, so they will link together and you can form the eagle in front. Just really, really nice movement out of the wings. Like I said, they're heavy, but as long as he's on the ground, that ain't going to be a problem. You put him in the air, bad things will happen eventually. Do I know this for a fact? No, but just based on my feel of the kit, yeah, it ain't going to work. Beam sabers, 2 blades, 4 handles. They give you the 2 handles that go on the wing, up here on the top like Wing Zero did for Ka. And they also have 2 that go behind the shield. You'll see the shield a little later. So, which blade do you want to use? Either one of those 2. Which handle? One of those 4. And you see they store right back there like before. Other accessories, and you see I have them all decaled up. Water slide decals. Pretty much a combination of old Tallgeese and some of the decals from the Wing Zero. Nothing fancy, but they look nice. All water slide. Other accessories, you get the shield. You get a weird funky attachment that hooks onto this lance. The weird funky attachment barely works. Luckily, the hand holds it up just fine. Lance is big and heavy and awkward to pose with, regardless of what you do. And you got this big old giant halberton, which is easily my favorite thing on this kit. Drawback is, it's pretty friggin' heavy. Can it hold it? Yeah. The wrist is a little weak, and that arm joint is a little weak. As you see, the arm just pops right off. Trying to put it back on. Granted, this would help if I had 2 hands. Yeah, okay, the arm joint. The arm where it meets the elbow, it gets a little loose when you're trying to hold this big old thing. Can it be done? Yeah. It's going to be done perfectly? Heck no. They also give you the dauber gun. But like I said, the shield is from old Tallgeese. The gun is from the old Tallgeese. You get a lance and the halberd. I love the halberd. Use 2-handed method. A lot easier. Plus, you can get a lot more nice poses with this thing. Get them more spread out. Like I said, do not put this thing in the air. I don't trust it. If you want to put it up there, good luck. Final thoughts on this kit. I'm going to give this kit a thumbs up, but this is one of those kits where your first instinct is probably right. If you saw this thing and you went, oh, cool, a Tallgeese with wing zero wings, I want that. You do. If you looked at this thing and you went, oh, you don't need it. It's basically a kit bash. Someone took a Tallgeese, changed its headdress, put the wing zero wings on it, added a couple things, and gave you 2 new accessories. That's what it is. I mean, if this thing were really cheap, I'd say, yeah, sure, pick it up. It ain't. It's P Bandai, and they're always expensive. If you look at this thing and you went, wow, that's cool, I want one, you do. If you didn't say that, don't bother. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. Hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will answer them as best as I can. Please stay tuned for more. I always got more reviews coming. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, and one more thing. For those of you that don't know, Fluegel is actually German for wing. So the predecessor to all Gundams, the Tallgeese, when called Tallgeese Fluegel, is really predecessor Gundam wing, which then turns into the Gundam wing, which then turns into the Wing Zero. But the Wing Zero came before the Gundam wing, but the Tallgeese Fluegel comes after Wing Zero. And